Hey, what's up, everyone? Hope you have a great day and just keeping it up. Market's a little bit hot, which I love, and I'm looking forward for a little bit of push to the downside on Nvidia to do a buy operation and buy basically Nvidia to the upside. SPY already ripping, Qs are pushing back to the upside, and I'm just looking to see that if I can get a good level to buy a Nvidia. I'm not gonna touch any other instrument like SPY. I used to do that, but not in this environment at the moment. I don't feel well to do so. Let me remove this, delete. Okay, so let's see what are the levels. I will check in a minute what's going on in the market news-wise. Yesterday was a very interesting day for me. It was an interesting day. I was outside, and I will show you what I did. And okay. So market ripped yesterday, like literally ripped, and on the move to the upside, I did my share of making profit, and it was all right. Where is everything? Let me close this. For the record, I still say it's a demo account, and I'm just providing some performance example for some purposes that I have mentioned before. This is more of a trial on. Okay, coming here. There you go. I have hundreds of lines. I just need 5 minutes. What's this? This doesn't make any sense. Why suddenly the rest of the lines should show up? Okay, there is no opportunity so far for me to get in. I cannot find any good entrance. There is a chance that market starts to whistle around and it takes everyone from both sides of the market, set new high and new low, and then start to ease in to find new high or low based on the. There you go. This is happening already. It means that so it will make a candle, it will break to the lower side, make a low, it goes to the upper side, low, make a new high, but it stays at the middle, take everyone at the both sides out again, and then find a bottom or find a top, and then goes the other way. This is what I think. So we will see what happens. Today is strongly bullish, but market is still stuck in the candle of like 3 days ago. So we can push to the upside to the high of this last week, and then we'll see what happens after that. But I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not predicting. It's just based on the experience that I have trading Nvidia. This is just, I know that this thing does this sort of stuff. So you know. This could be a move to the downside, especially that Q's made this. This could be a move to the downside. I should go lower a little bit. Go a little bit lower from here. So look what happened. Here, you think it's gonna go lower. It goes lower, takes everyone out that shorted. Okay, now it's gonna go higher. Everyone buys, but it goes where? All the way back down, and they take everyone down. It's just a trap to take everyone out. Market stays at value. Let's take a look at something. Jesus. So we have just housing news that already came out, and it's worse than expected. And then we have building permits, which is also less than expected, and crude oil inventory. Let's see what comes at 4:30. All right, we'll see what happens. Jeez. Well, as I said, I'm waiting for the downward move, which is happening now. I'm just looking for a sharp drop. So we have a hammer forming at the bottom, which we are getting already on Qs, but it's not finalized yet. You can see. What if I do this? Yeah. Getting ready. As I said, the thingy is forming what I wanted. If it cracks, oof. God knows where else it can go. Alright, it looks like the buy is happening. It looks like, I didn't say it's happening, it looks like. Still have to wait. You can see here. Qs are indecisive. SPY is holding up. If SPY goes back up, it will pull everything up. We have two hammers already down here, and Nvidia is giving a signal the downside to go to the upside. We'll see. This is not good. Look at the volume. Look at the size of each candle. Look at the size of this. This is anomaly. It's a full-fledged anomaly going on down here. So for sure we're gonna have a hammer. Now I'm wondering if it's gonna pull back, and then it's gonna be healthy or it's gonna be aggressive. So we'll see. Yeah, it's a full-fledged breakout. I'm gonna go long. As soon as this thing is over, this candle is closed, I'm gonna go long. Okay, breakout is coming. With a 45-cent spread. This is good. This is healthy. And then I'm looking for the next push. Jesus, man. There you go. Let's go. So voila, we'll see where it goes now. Of course they're gonna open this for 70 cents. Adding. Okay. We have 7 more seconds and it doesn't look good. We'll see what's up. SPY is pushing up, but it doesn't look like this trade gonna be in a good shape. Or will it? Well, that looks bad. If it reaches 13, I'm out. Volume of this thing is like, this is big anomaly here. This literally the second biggest candle of the day, but the volume is not that high considering the size of the volume, considering the size of the candle. So I read it as anomaly, but it's just, well, I don't know, we'll see. So 2 minutes left and SPY is stuck on top. Qs are going over. SOXL is stuck as well. Nvidia is coming down, so I don't think it's a good sign anyway. I'm gonna close all my trades. Especially Nvidia itself is just fully crashing. Let's see. 19, 16, 25 again. It looks like it's a nasty short though. So this is the moment of push. If it doesn't push to the upside, I will close my positions all in at once. A little bit of move back to the upside, even $2, because you know at the moment ATR average true range of each 5-minute candle of Nvidia is $2.20. It means that the average of movement based on calculation of what has price done in last 14 period of 5 minutes, each average of these would be $2.20. So it means that I'm looking at 20. I'm looking at 470. It's by 472. I will be more than happy to close everything down, and I mean already everything is moving back to the upside again, but Nvidia is still holding, and I'm already invested right at this bottom that I don't need to even to get to 72, even around 71.50. I'll be more than happy to close down all of my positions and close the whole thing in a good profit. Yeah, so we'll see. The order push is coming in, and as I said, it's already pushing good to the upside. And as I said, this is what I'm going to do. And all right, as I said, that's what I'm going to do. And that concludes today's trade. Well, I will see that what happens after now, but this is what I wanted to do. It was a hit and miss on this candle based on this signal, but the exit of this signal is down here, obviously, which I was not. So I tried to add to the weight, so when it goes back up based on the power that this candle has. And then for me it was clear that it's going up. That's why I invested more than normal, and then I got my money back. So that's what's happening now. And at the moment I don't have any other signal rather than this one, which can be working, can not. Oh, we'll see. As I said, if it gets to 72, which it got to 72, but because VWAP is ahead of us, ahead of me, ahead of the price, I would not. I don't like the signal that I have and the coordinates between everything that's happening at the moment. So that's why I closed the whole thing. And I think I had 3 negatives. Yeah, I had 3 negatives, and the rest of the positions, they were all positive. That's why I closed with a good sizable profit today. And I have 2 candles, two hammers against each other. This one and this one, right? This one and this one, and either of them could be. What's this? I have this and this. Either of them could be active and working in unfashionable. But there is a thing that if itself this one becomes a short, I may short this one down here. It looks like it's a short. Yeah, it's a short. Okay. I'm in two shorts at the moment. I will be mindful of the presence of well, that was nice in profit, while profit in points. I was just saying that I should be mindful of the presence of S3, but the drop is a little bit stronger than just S3. So we'll see what S3 does here. I don't like this. I have 3 more minutes. It's where market in the last 2 minutes, especially the last 30 seconds, is the one that I make a decision of what's gonna happen. Oh man, if I was pissed yesterday, oh jeez, should have seen me yesterday. I show you now. Nah, I don't like this. No, I don't like this. Really don't like the way that Nvidia doesn't do this. It doesn't stop like this. I just said it. So the last 30 seconds, we'll see what happens. There was a little bit of push back up, which makes me a little bit uncomfortable. I will be giving back majority of my profit today back to this position if I close it down. Even might go in negative, but I'm looking down to 15 seconds. It's a double hammer, so I will consider that one as a very bullish signal. I will see. Oh, nasty. I mean, I'm in a heavy position. I can easily get this money back, but the loss, I can recover the loss and then also recover the money that I lost. But this is just annoying part of this double. I said that I should be aware of this, and I was not aware of this, and that's the result of what I should get this. I deserve this fully. A $150 maximum loss because it went to $250 of profit, the previous position. It didn't need to go to it really didn't need to become a minus $5,000 loss, but we'll see. I'm looking to this more than a breakout to the upside. On 14 and 15 minutes we are getting the signal. On 5 minutes we are getting the signal. The volume, look at this, the volume says it, anomaly, and then confirming volume. For me this is bullish signal, at least for one round of bullish to the up here to around 40.74. I'm guessing well, I'm thinking about this can move, as is, for instance, this move was $2 up to downside of it. This one was $2.50. Here we didn't have much. Yeah, $2.50. And here, how much we have moved? We have moved $1. So we have one more dollar to go. If it moves that much to the upside, if all right, let's see what it goes now. Okay, 1,700. I don't want to close at zero because I do believe now it has potential to go to the upside. I'm just going to add to the position. The moment it starts to go positive. if we wait a little bit more, I mean, probably gonna close it around 3,000 when it gets there. Probably. As it's gonna cover, put me back where I was. Yeah. There you go. Troll, yeah. Wow. Look at this spread, man. Instead of 5,000, I close at 3,000. But that's because of the spread. Normally a spread, when the spread is short, as soon as this starts to form and starts to fall back, as soon as the top, I have a rule that says I have a rule that says that 30% from the top is the exit point. What it means is that if I have a position, the position goes to $1,000 profit, and then it starts to fall back 30%, I will close at 700. If I go to negative, then go to positive, I will not go back to negative again, because my maximum tolerance would be as much as 0 or positive. And here is the third case scenario. If there is a loss, a market goes into profit, my maximum tolerance would be as much as my loss and a little bit amount of profit. That amount really doesn't matter. I don't calculate that one. It just could be anything. It could be a small portion. If I'm all in, I would consider as much as a spread and commission. But if not, I would just consider that as it is. Like right now, you just saw what I did. And frankly, I don't know exactly what's happening in the market. I could have closed it right up here at 5,000, but then I didn't, and then it went all the way down to, let me just check today's report. What doesn't this? Okay, it's white, it's super white for you, all white for you, but not for me. So, what is this? So if I could show you, you would see that today, for instance, my top of the day was 3,500, right? 100,000, 3,500, 60, no, okay, 35,680 was the profit. And now I'm closing at 34,100. So I'm 700 lower than where I was before, but I cannot care less about that. It's just the way that it is. And I'm not thinking that I'm gonna go long on Nvidia now, especially that this mess of crap down here, and market doesn't know where it wants to go. It looks like that it wants to push another time to the upside, but I'm saying no, but thanks. And there could be even a short signal coming in based on this candle. I'm probably gonna short it from here. This is a short that I should have shorted, not this candle. This was a mistake, shorting on this and then not letting it close, not closing it quickly. No, just go short here. Okay. So I'm reading this as a full short, especially SOXL is dropping, Nvidia itself is dropping, and SPY is fully crashing, and QSA failed to go to the move to the upside, and yeah, there's a push, but that's just a fear push to scare everyone off, and the market goes back down to this move, this trend. Although if it makes new highs, I will get out, but that doesn't really matter. Oh, the news of oil, the oil news just came out. Yeah. This gonna crack ugly. There is too much resistance, but once that resistance is gone, everyone that has made loss gonna come back to make profit. Whatever direction that market picks, market gonna rip in that direction. As I said, that if there is a new high, I will close it and close it, of course. But now I'm looking for a second round of down to downside, because it's Nvidia, and as soon as it starts to come back down, I will go in again. SPY is dropping, QS is retreating, and so as SOXL is falling back to the doji state from the bullish position that it got for a second, and I'm waiting for Nvidia to start to move, to technically start to move down, so it falls into harmony with the other instruments. I cannot read the market. This would be a short scalp. Well, everyone is pushing. It's more promising than just a short scalp, but we'll see. For a second there was a 1,000 something on the screen, but 1,900. This really, I cannot complain more about this. Well, the volume says that it should be a bullish move, but there you go. There you go. Whatever it is, I'm closing. Still 700 less than what it was in the morning, but that's bad. That I don't want to do this anymore. $35,600 was my high, or 500 low. We are getting close to break of a high of day, which would be very interesting if it even approaches to that point. Okay, there you go. There you go. So I'm super passing what it was in the morning, and I got what I wanted. So that's that for sure. And now it can go to the moon if it wants. So choppy market, choppy, very choppy. So let's see what I did yesterday, which I didn't stream because I was out. So this is what I did yesterday. I started to buy down here. Close partially, and then bought all of them up here, and closed another portion. Then I added, but then I closed them all down here. For some reason, some stupid reason, I read this as a short, and I shorted, which was not right. And the idea was just this. Oh my god, I don't even want to see what's happening now. And my idea was just because of this failed hammer, this is a downward move. So for the distance of getting out of train, coming home, this happened. Then when I came in, it was because one thing not to forget, the level of yesterday was down here, right? So it was right below the level, and I came down here. It's like, oh, this is happening. So I let it to fall back down, and then I started to add a huge position, to build a huge position all the way up here, and then I closed them all up here, and that was that. I didn't want to just do anything about it with shorting this, but because that's when this thing happened, I got all out. And this looks to be a breakup HOD. Anyway. Come on, man. Look at that. Just said it. Break up high of day. Yeah, whatever. I'm done. It was one of the longest trading days this week. And I stayed here for how long I've been streaming now? I've been streaming for... doesn't make any sense. It says I've been streaming for 1 hour, but it feels so much longer. Anyway, whatever it is. Yep. And you see it's ripping, and yeah, I'm out. Yep. From here, the day trader, you have a nice day, and you saw how I operate. Next time, I'm not gonna touch this kind of crap down here. I could have easily prevented this, and yeah, I didn't do a risk management down there, but yeah, it is what it is. It's okay. Normally, I never short against this. Never. It's just madness. And that's one of the reasons that, like, exactly that's the reason that I don't that's why I don't short against important levels. Buying against them is very good, not shorting against them, and contrary, obviously. All right, from here, the day trader, have a nice day.